first bit of relaxation I've had in quite some time. We're gonna go chill at the beach a little bit before we knock out about 30-40 days of filming.
Siesta Key, Florida. That's where we are. Hello, it's me. See, we're out here on the beach. We've had a rough day. Location scouting. Had a delicious meal at our location, which we were scouting. Got to meet one of the actors. And I just want to say thank you, Jesus, for the coolest job ever. We're all out here having a good time, trying to get rid of my farmer's tan. Probably end up looking like a lobster. Yeah, it'll match my hat, which is supposed to be covering my fat. Hope you can't see that.
Hey, Jordan Kennedy reporting live. We're gonna go back. We're gonna have a production meeting.
I'm actually yours since you haven't used it.
Excited to be here. Super excited to be here. It's gonna be a fun week. And then we head out to West Virginia.
America.
Hey guys, it's Jordan. We're just chilling on the beach, and I just would like to tell everyone that I got pooped on while we were sitting. A nice little seagull flew overhead and relieved himself. And this is the proof right here. Seagull poop.
Now we're gonna go back and do some work, so that's it.
Harassing him. Say, why ain't I going anywhere?
We got a guy here on the side of the road. He's covered in sand. Big old turtle dude. He's heavy. He's
What's
old.
his name?
His name is Earl. We're gonna let him
He
go
sounds
into
like
the.
Earl.
We're gonna let him
Help
go
him
into the trees here. Go on, Earl. Get out of here, brother.